Hello everybody, welcome to my world adventures and my world tarot. I'm going to put this video on both my channels. So we're at the ocean like I promised, and there's the storm coming in. I don't know how long I can be out here. I'm trying to hold my umbrella and not ruin my phone at the same time. I was going to use my tablet, but it wasn't charged enough. Wow. So I don't know like how far out I want to go or how long I want to do this, but we'll watch the ocean for a minute. Like there's other people walking. I don't know if you can see them. It's so foggy. Can you see that? I'm trying to keep my phone under my umbrella. I apologize if the umbrella gets in the way. As you can see, my work, that's my work, that building up there. This is my view every day. But yeah, so let's just go check things out. So here at the Oregon coast, they, up in this grassy area, halfway up, sometimes under logs, they hide glass blown balls. They're glass balls, they're like floaters, and they're painted, and they look really pretty, you know, they're all different colors. They do that for the tourists. So maybe we'll get one of those today. I know as locals we have to register them when we get one. We're only allowed like 2 a year. I've never found one. I don't go looking for them. I figure that's a tourist thing, but hey. Yeah, it's really stormy. I don't know if you can see the waves, but they're really high, like, and the tide is way in. See, like, this is usually we get this tide when it's king tide, and those were a couple weeks ago. But man, yeah, the fog is starting to roll in. I don't know if you can see. Oh, look at the bird. I'm trying to keep the rain off my phone. I don't know if you can hear me. But yeah, I'll try a little harder here to keep a steady hand, but we'll just keep walking down the beach and see if we can't see any of those glass balls. I would love to find one and have it at my... Oh my gosh, look at those waves. Let me see if I can't zoom in. Hold on. Be patient with me there. Okay, let me see here. See those waves. I'm hoping the sound you can hear them good, because they are... Yeah. There's a lot of fog, so I don't know how much I can, really film. I just wanted you guys to catch a little glimpse of, of what the storm might look like. I could drive to Depot Bay, which is only about 15 miles away, and it's got the smallest harbor in the world. It's just this little town. But with the road conditions, and I don't have studs or anything on my tires yet, because the roads have been really pretty icy. I just don't want to take a chance. And that stretch of highway is kind of dangerous, so. But we'll get there. Oh my goodness, look at this. Oh, it's gorgeous. See that big wave out there? Oh my gosh. And it's coming in. It looks like a tsunami. It's not, of course, so. But it's coming. You'll see it hit that rock. God, they break way out there, too. Oh, it's a-coming. Wind. Yeah, when they have earthquakes on the other side of the ocean, Russia or the Asian countries, yeah, we get really super high waves, and they come all the way up to this like a grassy area right here. Yeah. Trying to find all the wind is really big one out there. Oh my gosh. Yeah, it's starting to get. Did you see that? Wow. The east wind is coming. It's dangerous. Trying to keep my umbrella out of the way. Yeah. Well, you guys, you know what? It's getting too windy out here, and I don't know if you can see out there far enough to see those huge waves coming in. Oh, there's a huge one out there coming in. Oh my gosh. Stick around there. Oh. Yeah, they're getting bigger and bigger. Well, so I know it's here. Usually people will come and watch the storms, but yeah, the water's getting closer too. I'm gonna go ahead and sign off and let Mother Nature do her thing. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful though. I love it. Well, I'm sending y'all abundance of positive and lots of hugs and kisses. Be warm, be safe, and see you on the next video.